और बताओ बीपीएससी में इंटरेस्ट है क्या?
Recently, someone has unfollowed you on Insta.
Hi everyone, myself Ankit Kumar. In this video I will give you the view of programming language, pro and cons of languages, and I will also share the views of product-based company and service-based companies. How is the choice? App development vs game development, which is better? I think if you are interested in graphics, animation, then game development will be good for you. And if you are interested in daily life problems and you solve it, then app development will be better for you. I think it will be your choice. First out, is CSE easy? In CSE, you will learn mathematics, database, networking, digital logic, software and hardware development, machine learning and many other subjects. It is not difficult if you are interested in computer and programming and also in algorithm. So it's become easy for you. It depends upon your dedication. And if you want to become software engineer, you can take degree from BTech CSE, BSc CS and BCA, which is known as Bachelor of Computer Application. After it, you can go for further study like MCA and MTech. And after taking the degree from BTech CSE, you can go for job profile like system engineer, IT security specialist and software engineers and full stack developer, data scientist and mobile developers.
This is the future.
Introduction of C. C is a middle-level programming language developed by Danny Ritchie, and C is one of the oldest languages that cannot be replaced by any other language, as it is the core of every machine. C++ is an extension to the C programming language designed by Vijay Strustrup. And if I talk about pro of C, let's discuss it. C is a good option for embedded devices and system level code. C++ is a top choice for developing gaming, networking and service-side applications. C language has formed the basis for many languages. C programming is basically a collection of functions that the C library supports and makes this easier to add our own function to C library. The major drawback of C is that the error or the bug are not detected after each line of code. Instead of compiling soon all the errors after writing the program while compiling the code. There are many websites to learn C language like Udemy, BitDegree, Coursera, Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, edX and Skillshare. And you can also learn C language on YouTube like channel Eureka, Jenny Lectures and Tutorial Points and Code with Harry and Clever Programmer also. JavaScript is one of the core technology of the World Wide Web designed by Brendan Eich. JavaScript enables interactive web pages and is an essential part of web applications. Pros of JavaScript. Client-service JavaScript is very fast and it can run quickly in client-side browser. JavaScript is used everywhere. And if I talk about Java is a very popular programming language designed by James Gosling. Java is commonly used for creating web and mobile applications. Java was designed to be easy to use, write, compile, debug and learn. Cons of Java. It is significantly slower and more memory consuming than natively compiled language like C or C++. Python is a general-purpose, cross-platform programming language created by Guido van Rossum. Python can be used for web and desktop application, GUI-based desktop application, and machine learning, data science, and network servers. Pros of Python. It is open source and free of cost. It is easy to use and easy to learn, and it is easier to write a program in Python than C or C++. It provides large standard library. Cons of Python. Python code is executed by line. It's often resulting in slow execution. Python database assesses the layer in primitive and underdeveloped. Idea about PHP. PHP is a very popular general purpose scripting language that is especially suited for web development. It was originally created by Rasmus Leudorf in 1994. Pros of PHP. The most important advantage of PHP is that it is open source and free of cost. It can be downloaded anywhere and readily available to use for the development of web application. The PHP framework simply web application development and maintenance by supporting model view controller. And now I am going to talk about developers. There are three types of developers: full stack developer, back end developer, and front end developer. A developer is someone who develops, program, and creates software and solve daily life problems. And if I talk about product-based vs service-based company, product-based companies are the companies that has own product to sell, like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Adobe, etc. And service-based companies are may or may not be have their own product, but primarily business is service. They work for other organizations like Wipro, Infosys, TCS. And in product based, they hire in a very limited number of candidates from top NIT IITs. But in service based, they acquire a mass required in campus placement. As you know, Google is the topmost product-based company, founded in 1998 by Sergey Brin and Larry Page, and it has 4 offices in India like Mumbai, Gurgaon, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. And CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai, and his net worth is, you can see here. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel and share with friends. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye. स्नैप बनाने के लिए